Welcome to Boomhauer69 channel, and today Boomhauer is going to show a little product that I ordered, an expensive item off from Harbor Freight, and Harbor Freight sent this little knife as a free gift. It's a little keychain knife right here. Here's the packaging, and there's the information on the back. This is just something that Harbor Freight, because I actually ordered a 2-box off from Harbor Freight, one of their cheap metal 2-box carts for this garage, because I do have tools, and I just wanted an El Cheapo little tool cart to put my tools in, and because that was over about $500, Harbor Freight sent this little keychain knife as like a free gift for, hey, thank you for spending over $500 in our store. Now, one thing you gotta remember with Harbor Freight, for those you don't know, Harbor Freight is a tool store. They're a tool store and they sell a variety of different tools and stuff, but the tools are typically made in China and they're of the lower variety of quality and stuff. They're not like high quality Snap-on or DeWalt or Milwaukee or whatever out there. Harbor Freight is one of those stores where if you're somebody that just needs a cheap, basic tool, sometimes you can find a pretty nice, handy little tool that actually works. And then other times, you buy something from Harbor Freight and it's just complete garbage, junk and stuff. Like this little knife right here. The only reason why Harbor Freight sends this free as a little gift, as like a thank you for shopping at their store, is because they simply couldn't sell them because they're garbage. And the blade is only, well, it says 2 inches long, and well, whatever, but here's the actual little knife. It's made to look like a little key. I can see this only being useful for somebody that just wants to collect a weird little knife and throw it in their, little kit, their little collection of knives. If you're just a knife collector and you like collecting odd, funny little novelty knives and stuff, this would be perfect for you. But here's what it looks like fully closed. Here's what it looks like fully extended out. A nice little close-up. Little key knife looks like. This video is for those of you just like seeing little weird knives and stuff, but yeah, it's just one of those. This is one of those, if you see it at Harbor Freight and they got like $4.99 or $5.99 or whatever they would actually sell this for. I imagine this would be only a little $1.99 knife. I'm going to show you why you do not buy it. And here's a piece of cardboard. I just ripped off an old cardboard box, it's just standard size cardboard box type, This is, if you had this, I imagine you would probably be using this to cut the tape off a box to open up a box. But here's the, see, it's not even, look at it, it can't even cut through cardboard. It's not even sharp at all. I can run my finger over the blade and it's not sharp. It feels kinda, but it's not really. But yeah, a good knife, you could easily, without any pressure, cut open. And look at, I'm not even hardly putting any pressure on it, it can't even cut. You really gotta kind of press down the, yeah, you really gotta, you probably gotta hurt yourself just to try to, but there's the big old cut it did. You kind of really gotta, and it didn't even break all the way through. Now, yeah, you really, there's what it's doing. Here's some paper material here this is just some, that cardboardy brown paper tissue stuff they throw in shipping packaging. in boxes, but yeah. Now the tip of this, the point on it's kind of nice, but it's kind of got a little bit of a point where if you poke through, it kind of seems to, but yeah, but there's what it does. It's junk. Personally, when it comes to the metal, it's made out of like aluminum metal type stuff. Personally, I think this was a waste of metal. So whatever company out there making these and stuff, it's a waste of metal. If you see this at Harbor Freight, you know, if you shop at Harbor Freight and you're up at the cash register and you see this little mini knife and you think it would be handy and you need a little mini knife for whatever reason, you see this, don't buy it. What I would suggest doing the $2, $3, $5 US dollars they would get for this, save it and go to like McDonald's or Burger King or something and afterwards buy you a sandwich or something at a McDonald's or Burger King. Don't waste your money buying this little gimmicky thing. But yeah, unless you're somebody that just wants a little knife thingy to throw in their collectors, and you're a knife collector, and you don't care if the knives are actually usable or not, and you just want a little odd novelty thing to throw in your knife collection, then knock yourself out. But if you're looking for a little keychain knife that can be actually usable for something, this is definitely not it. It can't even cut standard cardboard without forcing it. Here's the results of the cut. So yeah, and then this is just typical, kind of a little bit thicker tissue paper that you would use in wrapping and stuff. So yeah, it's just all around a garbage little knife and stuff. I'm gonna, after this video, just throw this thing in the trash anyways. And hope you all have a good day. Thank you for watching Boomhauer69's channel. Don't forget to comment your thoughts below. You know, what did you think about this video? What do you think about this product? And feel free to give your opinion about what you think of Harbor Freight. Are you a Harbor Freight fanboy? You brag Harbor Freight up and stuff. You know, comment your thoughts and everything below. And, well, if you like and stuff, or you just want to say hi, Boomhauer, and wanna, or you have a question, or you want to share something with me that you think would be neat to show on this video and stuff, feel free to do that. And also to all you people out there that, you know, companies out there that stumble upon these videos and you would like to send me something to review and stuff, feel free to get a hold of me on my Boomhauer69 email address. That will be in the description as well for those of you who would like to contact me about maybe reviewing your product or whatever, you know. No, that will be in the description, and also my PayPal account will be in the description if you'd like to donate and help support the channel. No, as well, my PayPal link will be in the description there too as well. Hope you all have a good day, and thank you for watching Boomhauer69.